B.E.A. family, what is happening? I have an unboxing today. I got this in the mail yesterday, and I'm really excited to open up and try it out. So, let's get it going. So as you guys can see here, Sony WH-XB900N wireless noise canceling headphones. I got them in the color blue because I happen to love blue, if you didn't know. It is my favorite color. So this is the box that they come in. Regarding the price, I got this on sale at Amazon under today's deals categories for $148. I believe that they're selling for over $200 regularly priced, so it was definitely a good deal. Comes in a nice little black box. Just shows you how to set it up. These are fire. I love the color of these headphones. They're really, really nice. Wow, these are really nice. Cannot wait to try these out. Down here, a little carrying pouch it comes with. It comes with the charger and a jack if you wanted to use wired. Say if you ran out of battery time and you don't have a charger on you, you can always just plug it in and use that, which is cool. I like that option. So nice little traveling carrying case too, that's for sure. Let me show you guys the other side of these. Alright, so just trying them on right now without even turning it on, I immediately hear the difference between the headphones that I have in my house and the headphones on my head right now. Regarding noise canceling, I feel like I might be speaking a little louder just because I can't really hear much of anything, besides the cup that's in my ear right now. And they're extremely comfortable. It feels like there is a pillow on my head right now, guys. The cushioning of these ear cups are completely comfortable. Extremely, extremely comfortable. The thing that I love the most about these headphones is that it's over ear. It's not on your ear. So your ear is going to be completely enclosed into this cup here, which is great because the headphones that I have currently before these are awesome headphones, Believe.Dio headphones, but they didn't cover your ear totally. They were sitting on your ear, which after an hour or so, if you're listening to music, you're going to feel that, uncomfortableness in a way. So these are totally a win right off the bat just from comfort alone. So regarding the battery life on here, I see 28 hours of playtime in between charges, which is really damn good. More than a whole damn day worth of time. That's a lot of runtime right there for you. And, which is really cool, which I saw when I was looking up, if you charge this for about 10 minutes, you get an additional 65 minutes playback time. So say if you charged it for 20 minutes, just double that, and you'd get 130 minutes. So it's literally over 2 hours of playback time if you just charge it for 20 minutes. So the charge is super fast, which is very, very cool, very convenient for, users. I love Sony, guys, all in all. They're just such a trusted brand. Really, I've never gotten anything Sony that I didn't like. So with these headphones, I basically knew what I was getting. A quality product, that's for sure. Now, I already tried these at my friend's house. Same exact pair, just a different color. And I tried it for about, I'd say, 10 minutes maybe. And I really, really did enjoy them. That's what actually inclined me to buy these. One other thing I like about it that's really convenient is the side here is touch. So if you wanted to fast forward a song, rewind a song, it's literally just a swipe, nice and easy. If you wanted a lower volume, swipe down, higher volume or increased volume, swipe up. Just with a simple palm to the side of the ear here will reduce the noise canceling. So if you're listening to music and somebody's trying to speak to you without you having to pause it or anything, you can literally just press on it slightly here and you'll be able to hear them. It reduces the noise canceling so that the ambient sound is actually effective and you can hear what they are saying without stopping the music. Basically, the music will take a back seat, and whoever is speaking, you'll be able to hear much more clearer than you would if you didn't have that option. And something else worth noting is that there is an app that you will download once you purchase these headphones. It will be Sony Headphones Connect is what it says. Sony Headphones Connect. You will adjust your settings as you'd like. You can change the touchpad here as to what direction you want what to be in for easier access and convenience for you. And you can adjust the sound settings. You can adjust how much of ambient sound you will be hearing, or if you want it to be totally noise canceling, which is really cool to experience for sure, because you literally can't hear a damn thing with these on if they're on the proper setting where there's no ambient sound being interfered. One of the biggest reasons why I purchased these is because you get such clarity with noise canceling headphones, and I'm just really excited to try these out. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for future content of just about anything that I like posting or that I think is worthy of posting. I post. Believe, excel, achieve. All right, so that's my new bike, handlebar right to the neck. That's going to be good tomorrow morning. That's going to feel good.